Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no internet connection error in Riot Client. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working. Open any website in your browser. If other websites don't load, restart your router or reconnect to your network before trying the next steps. If your internet is working, open the control panel. Change view by to large icons. Then click Network and Sharing Center. Click your current internet connection. Then click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Then click Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS, type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS, type 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Close all the windows. Now search for command prompt. Right-click it. Then select Run as administrator. Type the following command: IP protocol configuration/flushtons. Then press Enter. Now type this command: netsh winsock reset. Then press Enter. These commands clear the DNS cache and reset your network settings, which can fix Riot Client connection issues. Now restart your computer. Then try opening Riot Client again. If you're still getting the same error, open Windows Search. Search for Network Reset. Then open it. Click Reset Now. Click Yes to confirm. This will reset all your network settings. When it's finished, restart your computer. Then launch Riot Client again. Hopefully your issue is now fixed. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.